Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about using Scrivener 3 for Windows for creating a story submission. Many short story submissions these days are done through online forms, but some still require a Microsoft Word document attached. And there is a specific format in Scrivener 3 for Windows that you can use. If you want to do this with the least hassle, you need to use the proper short story template when you create your file. I've tested this and it makes a big difference. The short story template has a dedicated short story format in Compile, which you will not find in the novel format. All you have there is a manuscript format, which does not work the same way. Note, however, that your manuscript should only have scenes. So, in your front matter, you'll find a title page. Set out how many submissions are specified. As with your paperback format, this uses code taken from your metadata. Well, not entirely. There's a bit of code in the top left that I believe was taken from my computer login, so I've removed it and replaced it with X's. I'm not sure what ought to have been there. Perhaps name or a reference. Anyhow, what I'm going to suggest is that, as I said for paperback formats, you remove all the code and overtype the information, as you have to type in a lot of it anyway. Under the Microsoft Word formats in Compile, you have two options for short stories, one in Courier and one in Times. This should cover all submission requirements. I don't remember ever being asked for anything other than these two. However, not all submissions require double-line spacing, so you may have to make some format adjustments there. If we look at page settings, you'll see it uses surname, abbreviated project title, and page number in the header. You may have to change this depending on the submission requirements. It also means that you will need to put something in the abbreviated title metadata for this to work automatically. And this is the generated file. The results look pretty good, and it is really easy to use. But just be sure to check that the format complies exactly with all the requirements for your submission. If it doesn't, it might be easier to make those tweaks in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.